How to target US audience on Instagram. So the first trick will be you have to set the reason for your Instagram account to US. If you have not set the region or country of your Instagram account to US, then you can use a VPN. Open a VPN and try to connect to US. Now once you're connected to US with the help of a VPN, after that you can make a post on Instagram while being connected in a VPN. By doing so, Instagram will think that you are posting something or content from the US. Now, the second trick will be while you're posting something on Instagram, you can use different hashtags such as hashtag USA or any other hashtag that is trending on USA. So with this trick, you can target US audience on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.